think if I went like this.
It's recording. Guys, hi! It's my mom. She said she didn't want to be on the camera, but the camera just keeps finding her. If you came from the last video, you know we're going to be making sourdough
Chocolate chip cookies.
Yeah, because she found a recipe on her own. Well, I gave her instructions. I said, you have to come to my house with something you want to make for a video. And she did. So, we're going to go make some sourdough chocolate chip cookies. I don't think I've ever done this before. I don't think. So, we're going to see how it works. We got our sourdough discard starter stuff. And she's got the recipe. And she said she's nervous. So, let's go make the cookies. Okay, bye. Okay, in the bowl, she said
3/4 cup plus 1 teaspoon all-purpose flour.
all-purpose flour. So that's what we got. We're gonna do 3/4 of a cup. Plus a teaspoon, is that what you said? How many, what is this in grams?
95.
95 grams. I tried to convince her to do this
And
with a scale and using grams, and she said, I'm not good at that. So, 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour plus 1 teaspoon.
Right.
And now we're moving on to the bread flour.
A cup plus 1 teaspoon of bread flour.
We're going to start with the teaspoon. It's in my hand. So there's your teaspoon of bread flour.
Yes.
And a cup.
Right. Or 125 grams of bread flour.
Yep. Now what?
Okay, and 1 teaspoon of fine sea salt, or 5 grams.
Teaspoon of sea salt. Fine sea salt.
Hey.
Fine sea salt. Normally I don't have exactly what it says. A teaspoon?
Or 5 grams.
But we're using salted butter.
So maybe a half a teaspoon.
Yeah, we're going to do a half teaspoon of salt because that's probably half.
Okay. And then 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda.
A 1/4? Remember the time, you probably don't remember the time that I made a cherry pie and I used baking soda and it turned gray?
Yeah. And a half a teaspoon of baking powder. That's when you called your grandma.
I did call her.
It's not working.
Yeah.
You made the recipe wrong.
That's when everyone tried to tell me it would be fine and I said, it's not fine, it's gray.
And, okay.
So that was baking powder.
Yes. And then you just need to use a whisk or a fork to mix the bread flour and everything in there and set aside.
Should have sifted it.
We got a sifter.
Yeah, what? Repeat it one more time.
We got a sifter for
She got me a sifter that is correct for Easter. You guys want to see Jonathan's train that's been on that table forever? That's Jonathan's Lego train. Okay, set aside.
Yes.
Okay, now we're back with a little bowl.
Yes, and this is the wet ingredients 1.
Yeah, wet ingredients 1. This recipe's complicated.
A large egg.
There you go.
And then a half a cup of the sourdough
Yeah, how much
starter.
is it?
A teaspoon or 5 grams.
A teaspoon. I'm not gonna. Good enough. And then
half a cup of the sourdough starter, or 125 grams.
I think I'm gonna do this one in grams. $125 grams.
So it's like beer.
And it's discard. It's not like fed starter. right?
Yeah. It says sourdough starter discard.
Yeah. Well, you gotta clarify, you know, because... Did you say it smells like beer?
It does.
Yeah. Okay, so full transparency, it said a half cup. And I did grams, and it says 125 grams, which seemed like a lot. So we only did 100 grams of starter because this seems like more than half a cup.
Yeah.
So we made an executive decision. So we did 100 grams of starter.
And then it says whisk.
That's probably good. Looks good.
Yeah. Looks good to me.
Okay.
Sister. The light brown sugar and the white sugar, and then the chocolate chips.
Okay, so we have
8 tablespoons.
8 tablespoons of cubed butter,
Right.
or half cup. It's a half cup, right? That's
Yeah.
how much 8 tablespoons is.
Yeah.
Okay, and then the sugar.
A half a cup of light brown and a half a cup of white sugar.
Okay, so that's a half cup of white,
And a half a cup of light brown sugar.
a half a cup of light brown.
Right.
I'm not really sure if that matters. If
And
it's
then
dark or light.
it says,
And this is
into
in
the
the
stand
stand mixer.
mixer.
She insisted that I had to get my stand mixer out.
and then it says you mix it with a paddle attachment, beat on low for about 45 to 60
So we
seconds.
beat this, just
Yes.
these ingredients.
Yes.
Beat this on low for like a minute.
Yes, until it crumbles. On low.
It wasn't recording. So, we mixed it for probably like a minute and a half or
Yeah.
2 minutes. And then we added a cup and a half of chocolate chips. Semi-sweet chocolate chips. And then mix it together?
For 45 seconds, straight down the bowl.
Okay. Alright, now it's actually recording. We're gonna add the flour mixture. Does it say just all at once?
Yeah. It
Okay.
says add the dried ingredients and mix on low speed until the batter starts to become crumbly.
It's gonna be crumbly, alright.
20 to 30 seconds.
Alright, now we're gonna add the sourdough starter egg vanilla mix. And we're gonna hope that
It works.
it works.
Heck.
It seems so dry. Let's all see what happens. I'm sure everyone can hear Calvin pacing. We're both making the same face.
We're not related, are we?
Okay, the recipe says to use a cookie scoop and do 2 scoops and make 1 ball. And it should make 12.
I think it's going to make more than 12.
I think it's gonna make more than 12 too, but yeah. Also, just so everyone is aware, it says that this recipe you're supposed to chill the cookie.
For 2 hours up to 24.
Yeah. And this dough is still crumbling. This might be a fail. So, we'll be back when we get 12 balls. Or more balls. I don't know.
Well, we can't get more balls. What are we going to do with them?
I don't know. Freeze it? Alright. No one wants to see this content. Everyone's gonna know the faces of you.
Let's see the face of me.
Yeah, that one. Okay, for real, we'll be back. Okay. It says cover with plastic wrap, but everyone knows how I feel about plastic wrap, so we're gonna use that.
So you don't want them to dry? They won't dry out, will they?
No, they're just like the beeswax wrap. So it's
Well, you know, I'm from
No.
old school, and we
I
have
know.
the saran wrap.
I know. We're gonna put this in the fridge. We might bake this tomorrow. We might bake this tonight. I don't know.
Yeah.
So it says 2 to 24 hours in the fridge after it being all balled up. So we'll see you guys when we bake this. Which one do you want?
I don't know which one do you want. We'll split it in half and go.
Just pick
Cheers.
one. Our cookies do not look like the picture. So.
Okay.
They're not flat. They're.
Alright, we'll do this one. Well, cheers.
See if it will. Yeah, whatever. They're fat.
Cheers.
It's dark in here. I should have turned the light on. It's nighttime.
Pretty good. Not bad. Not bad at all.
It's kind of chewy.
Yeah. I like it.
Maybe tomorrow we'll have Jonathan try it for the video.
Well,
Everyone loves when Jonathan tries things.
good.
Would you make them again?
With you?
Yeah, obviously,
Yeah.
because I'm the one with the sourdough.
Yeah. I think so.
Alright, guys. Well, I'll probably make another clip tomorrow of Jonathan trying it, because I know you all like that. Alright. See you in the morning. Goodbye.